In today's video, I will walk you through how to make an easy walking animation in Canva. Start by opening a new video project and click on Landscape Video. Go to Elements and search on Street, then click on Graphics, choose the street graphic, and resize it to fit your page. Go back to Elements and type Walking, then click on Search. Then hover to Show Filters, then click on Animated Graphics. You can choose any character you want. Resize the character and position it on the street. Next, click Animate and choose Create an Animation. Hold Shift on your keyboard and drag the character to the right side. After that, click on Steady. Now for the next one. Click the Animated Graphics. Hold Shift on your keyboard and drag the character to the left side. After that, click on Steady. Now preview the animation and you can see the result. You can repeat the same process with different backgrounds, characters, and movement directions to create different walking animations inside Canva.